Go. Let's read our books, huh? Say wee, 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 wee.
Wee.
Meow.
Oh.
Purr.
Oh.
Ba, ba. Say sounds.
Yow.
Very good.
Yow.
Foo,
Ooh.
foo, foo.
Ah.
Bow, wow, wow. Joshy, you gonna keep reading your book? Cock-a-doodle-doo. You gonna read your book to Mommy?
Good day.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
But the last one. La 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 la.
La 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 la.
Ha ha ha.
Yeah.
Oh, you want Mommy to read that one now? Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, sounds.
Oh.
Rhinoceros.
Oh.
This is a rhinoceros.
Look.
The book. Should we read that one? Sounds.
That.
The book. Rhinoceros.
I see.
It says, uh-oh, here comes a lion. The rhinoceros chased the lion away.
I see.
You sing that one. It says, ba, ba, black sheep. Have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full.
Yes.
Good job. You say ba, ba.
Baba.
Ba, ba.
Baba.
Let's see what the next one is. Should we turn the page? Turn the page. Stop. You're going to ruin it.
Yeah.
Cuckoo.
Giggle.
Foo, foo.
Cuckoo.
All right, all done.